YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon. If it's going to be on Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. And also their website link. Either or, they're both safe links to click. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Kind of curious what's inside here. Mystery bag number 1. Here we go, guys. And if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, check out. And like I said, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Ooh. Ooh la la. Look at this fancy dancy. This is coming, this is at Amazon. But I also think they have a website. So either or, click on it. This will take you right to the OneOdio high-res audio focus A10 hybrid noise canceling headphones. OneOdio. Nice packaging. So this will be a nice little Christmas gift to give somebody since we're in the holiday rush. You have charging time is about 2 hours. Using time 35 hours ANC and Bluetooth. Using time 45 hours if you just use Bluetooth music only. 50 hours ANC only. Bluetooth range is 10 33 feet. Noise reduction depth is -35 decibels. And you guys can see the good stuff right there. They also got some social media, I think they have. They should have. Definitely some high class. The power of music. Some high class headsets. Or headphones or headphones. Whatever you guys call them these days. I'm gonna get this going. Sometimes it. There we go. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. Out of the seal. Oh, come on. Oh, man. Don't be shy, little guy. Don't be shy. Come on. And nice package. A little stubborn. Come on, little guy, get out. There we go. Ooh. Alright, alright. You get a nice little travel. Hey. It's like a football helmet. So that's good. Take this on the road. Biking. You name it. Outdoor, indoor. To the gym. Do some yard work. There we go, on the road again. How do I... Oh, it's only like this. Nope. There we go. Voila. Whoa. Timber. Dang it. There we go. Now that I need to show. We got the manual. Got the USB. I think it should be charged enough for the video, but you never know sometimes. Definitely check them out, guys. Like I said, I'll leave my Amazon affiliate link down below. See what other headsets or headphones they have. They have tons. From DJ equipment to you name it. This company has a really good selection of high quality headphones. I always forget what this is called. It's one of those cords. Alright, here is the unit. Headphones. So this is like nice. Jeez, everything falls down. Huh. There we go. Good enough. There we go. Drop her down. Take this. Ooh. This feels good. Look at this, nice and shiny. Oh yeah, no air sweat. These are really soft. Ooh, it's got the swivel. Easy fold, easy to carry. Gotta snip this. I'm liking these. There we go. Here's the buttons. ANC button. And then here's the power. All that good stuff, but up here is super soft for your head. It has their logo right there. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Flexible. Oh yeah, these are definitely nice. You could do some answer phone calls with, do Zoom meetings with, Twitch, TikTok Live, answer phone calls. Big. That's the other side, okay. It shows how to do it. We'll get it going. Just got connected to the Bluetooth. It's going to come up OneOdio A10. Transparency mode, right there. ANC mode and normal mode. Number 3, voice assistant you could do. See, you could use your own Google or Alexa. And here we go. Connect and charge. Pretty easy, guys. So like I said, brand new. New series just launched now. Q4 is full effect. There we go. This is super lightweight though too. But I like the feel of the air muffs. Super soft, and even in here, I'm definitely liking these. I gotta grab my other phone. I gotta see if it's charged, and we're gonna set this thing up. Look at that. Bam. I'm gonna put this on my ear. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Oh yeah, they feel good. Like, you can't hear anything. That's good. As soon as you put these on, it's like, whoa. Definitely good for VR gaming with your Oculus. Connect that on. Really impressed, guys. Definitely check them out. Maybe grab yourself a couple pairs. One for yourself, and maybe one for your gym locker. Toss them in, or maybe your trainer. You never know. But these are nice ones to get. Super lightweight, super flexible. I think it's waterproof. Definitely sweat proof. Doesn't really say nothing about. But definitely check them out. And let me grab my phone. Be right back. And here we go. Have the phone ready. Do my passcode. Alright. We're ready. Let's turn these things on. Definitely excited. Here we go. Somewhere. Oh, there we go. That was that easy. Let me find it on the phone. I gotta do a system update. We'll go Bluetooth. There we go. Check this way. Bluetooth. Oh boy, we got a lot of Bluetooth at this house. Where are you? Still flashing. There it is. OneOdio A10. Yeah. Okay. Oh boy, here we go. Go on Google or YouTube. Oh, this is exciting. A little uncopyrighted, non-copyrighted music. Non-copyrighted music. Usually it's 1, 2, 3 clean or something like that. Usually it's a good one. You just gotta be careful with, there it is. 1, 2, 6 clean. Just gotta be careful with the ads. Yep. In 1 sec, I'll turn it up. Of course, non-skippable ads. Come on. Sound good. And now, ANC mode. Let me put these on. Whoa. These sound nice. Yeah, guys, these are nice. As soon as you put these on your head, you can't hear nothing but the music. Nothing around you, nothing. So it'd be good for like long train rides, airplanes, planes, trains, and automobiles. Just zone out your kids and look at that. You gotta just turn it off. And then, alright guys, these are super comfy. Great sound. See right here is a metal, and that's where it folds. Like so. Oh, maybe. There you go. And then the ANC. Oh, that's ANC's right here. Boom. Super easy. USB charge right there to give it a charge. You know, if you're going to use it for first day, I would maybe charge it for a few hours. But if you're going to use it, say, the next day, charge it overnight and grab it in the morning for your morning run. I'm telling you guys, you will be very happy with these. You will not be disappointed. Great quality, super lightweight, super comfy. Feels good. Definitely my new favorite headphones. Nice design, nice color to it, and super comfy, like I said, around the head. You got the flex, great flex. And your kids won't destroy them. They might, but it'll be almost impossible. But really nice. So, like I said, check them out. See the other goodies they have, like headphones, DJ equipment, and whatnot. But there we go. Shut that one down. Turn it. There you go. Either or. It's that easy to do. Great sound, great quality. Definitely check them out. OneOdio. And like I said, see their Cyber Monday, Black Friday deals going on right now. Holiday rush, guys. Get them before they're gone. Oh yeah, it kind of spins. Oh, that's pretty trippy. That's cool. Kind of like the spinners back in the day. If you guys remember those. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. We got a commercial. Oh boy, here it is. Commercial. No, no, no. Shoot. Hopefully I don't get flagged for that one. But it's alright, though. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.